Hello all, just doing a real quick video on, I'm showing you right now on the Tablecraft 724C half cup stainless steel measuring cup. It's really nice because right now what you see in front of you is 3 bags. And the bags are the 4 by 2 by 8 bags. But you see that I'm making a quick lunch. It's not the full lunch, but this is just something that's also going to go with their lunch. I already have them in this bag here. I already have their sandwich as well as the vegetable and the fruit inside of the bag. But this is just a real quick treat. It's some Cheerios that the little ones can also be able to eat. But you saw just how quickly I was able to do it by just simply, using this right here, so I didn't have to measure what I'm putting out. But I already know that they're having at least half a cup worth of Cheerios, which is also good for them. So I could just easily get it, and you saw I just scooped it on in there. So it's really nice. Really glad I purchased it. It's really good and sturdy, and it gets the job done, which is, what I purchased it for. So thank you so much for watching.